Welcome back. So this is CS50w Project Zero and my submission for it. So I'll give you a quick overview of what it was asking for you to do, and then we'll go through each of the specification points. I'll give a little demonstration. So the goal was to design a front end for Google Search, Google Image Search, and Google Advanced Search. And each of the specification points we'll go through now. So the very first one, your website should have at least 3 pages, one for regular Google search, one for Google image search, and one for Google advanced search. So here's the regular search. There's an images page. We go back, we go to the advanced search. And then we go either into images or back. And if you go to images, you can choose to go to advanced or back, and it just works like that. So, and that's the demonstration for this point here. So on each page should be an upper right link for image search and advanced search, and obviously to go back. So the next specification point is on Google search page, you should be able to type in a query, click Google search, and be taken to Google search results for that page. And we have this sub specification of the search bar should be centered with round corners. The search bar button should also be centered and should be beneath the search bar. So if we go back, you can see here it's behaving like it's supposed to do. So we type in cat, we take into this Google search page for cats. We can go back and go to the next point. And this is basically the same thing, but for Google image search. Users should be able to type in query, click the search button, be taken to the Google image results page. If we go to images and do it again for cats, lots of pictures of cats. Perfect. Okay. The next one. Let's talk about the advanced search page. So the user should be able to provide input for following fields taken from Google's advanced search and follow these criteria here. So we can show you here. So all these words, cat, this exact word or phrase, cat, any of these words, maybe kitten, feline, and none of these words, dog. And here's the results for those. Okay, we go back and go to the penultimate one. Like Google's own advanced search page, the 4 options should be stacked vertically, and all the text fields should be left aligned. And then there's this criteria here for the blue box. And when the advanced search, yeah. So we've just shown this one, but I'll go back for consistency. Here, everything's left aligned. We've got the blue box here, and we've also got a bit more of an implementation here. So we can go back to see the last specification point, or second, penultimate one. There's an I'm feeling lucky button to the main Google search page. Because consistent with Google's behavior, clicking this link should be used directly to the first Google search results for the query, bypassing the normal results page. It behaves as intended, mind. There is, I think, a caveat somewhere about saying there is a redirect notice due to Google's security policy, and I'll show you now there is. So if we go to I'm feeling lucky, there's a redirect notice which is explained on the page. That's okay. And here we are, cats. And finally, the CSS you should write should resemble Google's own aesthetic, and I think I've proved that very nicely here. Okay, that's all. So thanks for watching.